Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to swap coins on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is open Google and type in Uniswap. After that, let's see, you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you, and now let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, you have Uniswap, Trade, Explore, and Pool. In the top side of the screen, we have the search for tokens. And you can here go and swap anytime, anywhere the tokens, get the app, and you can go connect your wallet here in the top right corner if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and swap coins on Uniswap. So on the Uniswap interface, choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. You can search for tokens by name or paste the address here. So basically you can click here, find the token and click here and also find the token. Now, specify the amount of token you want to swap. The interface will automatically show the equivalent amount of the tokens you will receive. So it will be here in the, of course, buy. Then set the slippage tolerance to avoid failed transactions. This settings is usually adjusted in the settings icon on the top right corner. Double check all the details, including the exchange rate and fee. Click the swap button. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction and pay the gas fee. Approve the transaction in your wallet and complete the swap. After a few moments, your token will appear in your wallet and you can check it out in the top right corner here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.